How to delay task in n8n. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to your n8n workflow. Once you're in there, you just need to actually add right here a node. Click on this plus icon, click onto this search, and click onto there and type wait. So using this wait node will actually delay an icon using this particular method. So click on this, and then you can see these parameters. You can just configure the node. You can choose between time interval or specified time, as well as webhook and actually right here the form submission. Just choose right here the weight amount that you want as well as the weight unit. I'll choose right here 1 hour. Here it is right here. Then after that, head back to your canvas. Then adding another node, so this task will be delayed right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.